Hello everyone, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TrueTune is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Firstly, you can check that TrueTune is not working on iPhone. So guys, first method is to check that you have updated the latest iOS version. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general, tap on it. Now you can see software update, tap on it. Checking for update. If you have any pending update, just simply tap on download and install it and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is restart your device. So for restarting your device, just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general, you can scroll down and you can see shut down, tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be powered off. After powered off, you can press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo appear and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is reset the settings only without losing any data. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general, scroll down, tap on transfer, and now you can see reset. Okay guys, just simply tap on it. Now you can see reset all settings, tap on it. Here you can enter your passcode. Okay guys, after entering your passcode, you can see reset all settings. Just simply tap on it and reset the all settings without losing any data. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So guys, you can see that TrueTune is working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So you can see that this is working. So